this person probably going to be left without support of any kind. The options that they had is figuring out now that all they wanted them for was money, and ain't nobody gonna show them no love. All the love is going to be gone. They are not gonna be in no partnership now. For the person that have did people right, they're gonna get support and money, gonna have options that want to work with them, gonna have a wish fulfillment in their love life and all of that. But if you did somebody wrong, you're gonna be left without support. Options is figuring out now that's what you did. You jumped into connections with them for support, and they ain't gonna have the best of love for you, and you're gonna be left alone by yourself without any love. Why? And no one's gonna want to support you, help you, nothing. What's this? Yep, I said it. Gonna be left out in the cold. Before I could even say it, gonna be left out in the cold due to love. It ain't gonna be no wish fulfillments and 10 of cups and no emotions and none of that, because it wasn't none of that in the past. They're gonna figure out that it wasn't you was leaving them out, and they see you as a joke, or see this person as a joke. What is this? What is this 5 of Hearts? Somebody single, gonna be over here making their money, gonna have options in love, third parties. This person probably end up in a third party due to money and have to deal with people, whomever this karmic is, or deal with a person that is gonna be presenting themselves, gonna always be in third parties, but saying that they single. No, 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 no. Stating that they're single and they're not. No, 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 no. Go in there. Yeah, I'll get it in just a minute. Go. Go show it to mama. Go. It's gonna be indifferent for them. This is gonna be whoever that this person did that to, justice double for their troubles. It's gonna be indifferent. This person ain't gonna be able to figure out if they love them or not, or want to be with them or not. Gonna treat them indifferent due to the third parties that they chose to engage in the past. Somebody's gonna be saying that they single, gonna be sleeping around for money, and gonna be constantly offering up love to others, options, and it's gonna be somebody's justice double, like, and they gonna try to come offer to you again, and you gonna be like, nope, that door is gonna be closed, and they gonna figure that out very clear, that they've been caught on to, that people know what they done. That there was a hypocrite in this connection, and all of it was fake, fraudulent, and lies. Okay? Okay. So, mini tatas, we're going to let that go. because that's going to be for the birds when they are dealing with that issue. It's going to be their forte. And we don't have nothing to do with that. My golly, my gosh. What is the message? I just want to hug you so much right now. And the manipulative man identifies his behavior, counters the abuse, and regain control. So you could be dealing with a manipulative man right now who wants to give you a hug, but they need to gain control over their thoughts and their situations that they faking up in and get themselves together. So guys, if you don't mind, if you would like and subscribe to my channel, I would appreciate it. Bye.